Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable FaceTime alerts on the lock screen, notification center, or banners on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Notifications. Next, scroll down to the Notification Style section and tap on FaceTime. In here, we go down to the Alerts section and then tap on the lock screen checkbox to turn on or off. So if you want to turn off notifications for FaceTime on the lock screen, then you deselect the checkbox. Otherwise, tapping on the checkbox will allow FaceTime notifications to appear on the lock screen. Now the same for notification center, you can enable or disable it, as well as banners. So if you want to turn off notification banners for FaceTime, then deselect the checkbox. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.